Welcome, YouTube. Let me just actually make sure that we're live on YouTube. We should be in a second. Yeah, I think this should be live. I haven't been live on YouTube in I didn't do it last week because the bot was broken to send it out to the other Discord, but we should be back and cracking. So, yeah. Okay, yep, we live. Perfect, and the bot works. Beautiful. Market breakdown. There we go. Okay, so we got the YouTube and the Discord. Perfect. Right, so how was everyone's week? What did everyone take last week? I didn't take anything. Honestly, my head's been a little bit spiraled recently. Like last week, maybe even the week before we're trading. Just been here and there, to be honest. So I need to just crack down and focus. GA, two people took GA, EA, and GC. Let me find the trades. Okay, GA. Let me find what you guys took. This. Ah. Yes. There was a reason. I'm pretty sure this reacted, didn't it? I'm pretty sure that was the reason. Because obviously we have this level, we have this level. I'm pretty sure this one did a reaction. I mean, you got to be on the 1 hour to look. GA came to this level. It missed the low by 15 and did 30. And then tapped the low and did another 30. So that was the only difficulty with this level. Because it was a bit of a weird zone, to be honest. Because these were, what, pips away from each other. 20 pips. Then you have the EMAs. I mean, personally for this, I don't know if I explained this on I swear I did a midweek breakdown or did I not? Don't even know what I did, to be honest. But anyway, I didn't really like this. If we had a reaction from that, definitely not taking this one right below. I would have wanted just a push straight into this level. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, this one ended up getting smoked. We did a bit of a reaction. I think some Wayfarm, I know you got in very luckily and you hit a take profit. Oh, to be fair, most people hit take profit. Oh shit, okay. Oh, it was a close one though, depending on the entries. If you would have entered a little bit higher. Yeah, okay, would have been close. You would have entered at the EMA, to be fair. I don't know, personally, I probably wouldn't have entered with a 40. I would have entered a tiny bit higher. Like 0.4. Probably with a 40. I reckon I would have got stopped out. Oh shit, no. But I wouldn't have hit take profit either. Roughly. Yeah, I probably would have went for something like that. Was that during news or were we good? Friday morning. I mean 7 a.m. Bit of a risky hold. 7 a.m. news, then pushed it to stop loss. Yeah, bit of a shitter. So that was a odd trade, but if you hit take profit, nice. Take the take profit and run. It's not too bad. But yeah, it was just a bit of a weird one for me because this level, just a few bits before, did a reaction already. EA and GC. JJ, yeah, you took that one. We have that break retest is looking beautiful, by the way. That is a really clean break retest because obviously you can have the immediate break retest where we have one candle break, the second candle come up, and then you have the other break retest, which I prefer, is where we have like one candle break, the second candle just like dojis, consolidates, and then the third one comes to the retest. I think that's way, way nicer. Personally, I think that's a lot cleaner setup. The fib for this, I don't know, it's a bit of a fucking awkward fib. I guess that's it. That doesn't line up. You do have the 61. We could have that most recent push, which it depends how many pips this is, to be fair. Oh yeah, 400 pips. That's chilling. Okay, so that is the bang on 50 retracement, which looks really nice. You do also have these levels here. So again, this is something you have to look out for. You could either enter early and go for these retests, but I'm not really bothered about that. I'm more looking at this level for the break retest. So again, if we come up and retest this, I'm not going to go for that, obviously. Yeah, so what is with GJ? I don't know what is with GJ. I'll have a look. Let's have a look with GJ. So what happened last week with GJ? I mean, we had this level in EMA. This was a valid trade that I was looking at. And yeah, unfortunately, we had news. This was what, 9 a.m. This is when all the PMIs were releasing. Pound retail sales, euro, pound, all the PMIs, CAD news, USD news. So pretty much the first half of Friday up until like London close was pretty untradeable. So that's why I didn't take that. But again, if anyone took this, it was beautiful. But you had the same scenario here. So you have this level, but then you obviously have, so you have this one, just make it white, bit obvious. Then you have the one just before. Same scenario here. If price would have respected this one pretty nicely, I wouldn't have gone for this one unless it respected and then had a really strong move into that. If we respected and it pissed about a little bit, then yeah, obviously I wouldn't have gone with that. But yeah, as you can see, this level, I'm pretty sure, did it respect? I mean, I guess you could class that as respecting if you go down to lower time frame, but then we absolutely smoked it. And we had a almost 200 pip move into level, straight through this level. So that's what I'm talking about. We can have a little reaction, it pisses about, and then we have that really strong move in and breaks that level. But anyway, it was news. And we had a big ass move in after pound retail sales. So that, unfortunately, even though it tapped perfectly, yeah, it's a no for me. Didn't bother with GJ with hitting in news. Yeah, wanted the GU push down to take with alignment. Oh, this next level on GU, this one. I'm guessing. I don't know where DXY was. Oh, DXY tapped level. I don't think this aligned with anything, which is really annoying. So DXY broke that previous high, which was this one, which we failed to break a week before, and tapped into that second high, but I don't think anything. Oh, EA. So you're looking at EU with EA. I mean, yeah, I guess I'm only looking at GU. I'm not really looking at any of the... No. Are you saying DXY aligned with EA?
No,
oh, was it AU?
It's easy to explain. So what I'm saying is I didn't take the GJ trade because GU didn't push down to that level, but DXY hit that level, what you were on about.
Yeah.
When I took the EA trade, so it already hit that level prior.
Okay.
That's why. But I was waiting on GU to push down.
Okay, yep, fair. Yeah. Gotcha. And then the other one you took, JJ, was GC. Did anyone take any other trades? GC, I'm guessing, was this, which was like, I think it skimmed take profit. I'm guessing it's this one. Yeah, this one was a close call. So first of all, this level alone was... I had it as a level, but it was a bit of a interesting one. It was very, very small with the EMA. I probably would have went 30, maybe 35 on this. And I'm pretty sure if you went 35, yeah, no. Unless you went even lower, which, yeah, even with 30, close one. Hey, Lytix. All good, man. I took partial and went break even overnight. Okay. Yeah, that was don't know. That level was... I don't think I would have taken that. I'm going to start taking GC, by the way. I think GC and UJ, I think I'm going to start trading properly. I kind of want to add a few more pairs that are good at least. There's no point having like EU and some random Swiss pairs. I didn't take gold on Friday, no. Again, currently... not in my plan, but now is. Because it was just a level and a psych. That was it. There wasn't anything else. It was a level and a psych. I mean, the 61 fib, but that's if you wanted to count that entire level, which was 180 pips wide. So I guess I could have went for it if I split entries, which would have been pretty damn chunky. No, I don't even want to split entries on that. There wasn't any alignment, was there? Gold, what? DXY wasn't... We had nothing on DXY. Silver was at a terrible 4-hour level, right? Silver was like... I don't know. Silver at a 4-hour EMA. I think this was really cheap alignment. USD CAD. So USD CAD. Okay, I'll have a look at USD CAD after. But I'm now going to start taking gold just level and psych. Because I wasn't doing that beforehand, and now I will. So the next trade, I think we have this one here, which is obviously the level 260 pips plus the psych 2750. So I will take that. No, not degenning. Just adjusting the plan. That's all. And UJ. Are you saying there's a trade on UJ? Oh, you just say, oh, because I mentioned UJ. Okay. USD CAD. And then we'll get to the analysis. Oh, the break retest. There was a reason I didn't like this either.
It was a weekly as well.
Yep, got it. Yeah, I see. Oh, what was the reason? I can't remember the reason. I swear I discussed this one. Honestly, can't remember it. What day was it on? Tuesday? Would it maybe have been a news trade, or was it this? Oh, I think it was this miss. That's what it was. Yeah. So it missed the retest by 9 pips and did miss by 9 and did, I mean, about 35. And strong CAD because of risk off. How the hell do you remember that, Saskia? I don't even remember what happened midweek. Euro Aussie. Fair enough. Euro Aussie. I'm not. I mean, I don't really have anything on Euro Aussie apart from the break retest that's coming up. I'll go over the analysis anyway. Oh, okay, fair enough. Right, yeah, I'll just go for the analysis and we'll get to it. So yeah, Euro Aussie. We tapped to the low. That was news, so I think a few people, don't know if anyone took that actually. But either way, I've got the break retest coming up, and obviously the next level, this will be the backup, which is the 61 fib of that move. So we have this. I'll mark it out as a rectangle so we can actually sort of see where the rough trade is, and then we got the break retest. So they are the two next trades coming up. Apart from that, buys, we've got a while to go. Oh shit, don't know if that lines up with anything. We'll see. Okay, we're gonna draw a big ass fib. Nope. Okay, I'm not even gonna take that fib. No chance. Yeah, no, there's nothing there anyway. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see if anything lines up, if we have time in alignment or something. We'll see. Have I made analysis sexy? Is it because you don't talk about the journal no more? Oh, how have you made analysis sexy? Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, I see. You want me to talk about the journal? Okay. No, I have some explaining to do. JJ, you distracted me with the stupid leaderboard thing. I'm blaming it on you. So guys, the reason you haven't had the new... What's that? Don't know if the mic's meant to be on or off. I'll count that as off. Yeah, no, I've made the leaderboard invisible, and I remembered that I had to quickly fix something, which was the news move thing.
I had an additional interest.
There we go, mute her. And the last thing, I'll quickly cover it. So the news thing that you wanted me to do, which is where you can import the news and the pair you're trading, it'll tell you the average move. So for example, I only have a little bit of data in, but if I put like pound, as you can see, it'll update with all the different pound red folder news. If you put like USD, it'll update with all the USD red folder news. So if you put pound, GDP, and if you put pound Aussie, it'll put the average move. That's on average. So obviously, if the forecast and the actual has like a really big variance difference, whatever you call it, it's going to be more. But on average, that's what it does on GA. Then you can go to GC, and then GU will be the most accurate because that's what I actually recorded and move on. Because for each of these, I'm recording it based off of the driver currency, which is obviously USD. So I'll go back. I did use the ATR trick. So this is the average ATR for every single currency. Apart from J225, because this thing moves really weird and I don't know how to calculate it. I also tried using some weird fancy ass formula with Google Finance to auto calculate the ATR, so it's constantly updated. But I don't know how, but I go into little rabbit holes of spending like 2 hours trying to figure out one formula. That's JJ's fault. But anyway, so what I'll do is I'll input. You guys will have to do this yourself unless you want me to do it, and then I input the data, and then you guys are going to have to wait a little bit longer. Or if some of you are willing to spend some of your useless time and input some news data for me, because I use ChatGPT and it's inaccurate. So you'll have to go through Forex Factory, check the news release, put in the forecast, actual and previous, and then how much it did on the driver. So if it's Aussie news, you put AU. If it's pound news, you put GU. If it's JPY news, you put UJ. And if it's USD news, shit, I forgot what I was going to do. EU, that's what it was, EU. So then based on that, you can select the pair and then it'll calculate it. So if the ATR value for GU is 285 and GJ is 400, then that's roughly like 1.7 times, moves 1.7 times as fast. So then if GU does 10 pips, GJ does 17 pips, if that makes sense. So that's a very rough estimate. And then you can use that. The only thing you'll use this for, though, is for, let's say you've got GU and you're looking to take a trade, but we have CPI releasing in 2 hours. Then you can go on this and go, right, okay, on average, how much does pound CPI do on GU on average? And it'll say, right, 60 pips. Okay, well, 100 pips right now. So even if it does come out further away than the expected outcome, I probably should be good to hold this trade. If that makes sense. So that is really confusing. You probably don't need any of that data, but I think it's cool. So that's why the journal's been taking a while. But I'll send the journal out anyway. And if you guys can input some of this data, let me know. And then I'll copy and paste it into mine as like the master one. And then I'll send that one out. Because the more data we have, the more accurate it'll be. And then eventually, what I've been trying to do, this is the last bit of the nerd talk, is basically you can input the previous and the forecast, and then it works out a surprise multiplier. This is really hard to explain, but you can work out, so if the previous and forecast has like a higher difference, I know it's dependent on the actual as well, but we don't know the actual until it comes out. But dependent on like the difference between this, there's a higher difference between what the data actually does pip wise. None of that makes sense. I probably just confused the fuck out of all of you. But yeah, anyway, if anyone wants to collect some data, you're more than welcome to. I'll send a journal out after this, I promise. I think I still will use ATR, yeah. Here's me who still can't link 200k challenges on my C-Trade and Leon is plugged into the matrix. No, not yet. Just let me in the master one. No chance. Imagine if you got into the master one and just deleted my journal. I would cry. I think I would actually like quit trading if my journal just disappeared. The amount of time I've spent on this journal is silly. All right, anyway, carry on with the analysis. Sorry about that. That was JJ's fault. Right, EN. Let's go through EN quickly. So EN broke this level and the break retest level. Both got smashed. The next thing I see really on EN, that's what we're on. I mean, I wouldn't go for that. I'd just wait for the low. I really don't really have anything in this zone. You have these little weird intra levels here, but I wouldn't really go for that. No thanks. I think I'd rather just wait for the low, which we don't really have much for unless you're drawing a big ass fib again, which I'm not. Oh no, never mind. We don't. See you later, JJ. I promise I'll send the journal out tonight. Promise. So yeah, EN, don't really have anything apart from this sell, which, I mean, we'll bit of a dodgy fib. Well, either way, you've got the fib no matter what, so that's a valid trade. I'll just keep that there. GA, again, broke these lows. So now buyers just waiting for the lower level down here, which I'll take either way because this level broke. So this has level plus break your previous level technically. So I'll happily take that one. And then the next level you have again is this rough ass break retest down here, which I think I'd rather just wait for like this or this. Again, I'd rather wait for the very low. Break retest. We have this, which again is an awkward one, but you do have the EMA. This mess around the break retest is a bit of a pain in the ass. I mean, or is it GA? I guess if we had like a strong alignment with this, I would go for it, which I guess I'll go over GU in a minute. But this is a bit of a weird one, this break retest. I think I'd rather just go for that level above, which is this one here, which was this break retest, which I don't know if anyone took. It's a bit of an aggressive break retest. But this lines up with a 38. Don't know if it lines up with that 50 and that 61. So we've got a bit of a triple fib on that one. So that is a 100% yes trade. You do then technically have this little bastard, which I would sort of class as a miss now. It's done missed by 15 and did the move. So yeah, just looking at that really. GJ, this is the 38 fib, and then you have this one, which don't know what that is. It's just a level. Don't really think I had anything. Yep, oh, that's a 50 fib, my bad. Swear it's okay. No, tripping. 38 fib, 61 fib. Yeah, you do have like this. Oh, I hate those type of levels. Good, it's not even a level. I was gonna say this, like this little break retest, but that's technically only that. So yeah, no, never mind. Ignore me. Talking rubbish again. So yeah, just that break retest, that 50 fib buy on GJ. That's all I'm looking at. GN. This one. Oh, that's what I was looking for. Timing. That's what it was. God, my memory is awful. Was it GU as well? Ah, it was GU with this level. No, it can't have been. Honestly, don't know what it was. I think it was timing. Just timing, that was it. Which ended up moving away anyway. So, yeah, not really looking at that anymore. It's missed by 26-ish. And done like 100. So, yeah, no, that's not in my scopes anymore. We do have this second zone down here. But it's a bit of an awkward one because it is pretty damn chunky. So we have the 61 fib, the EMA, the level, which is now 38 wide, which isn't the worst. But if you are looking to take entries on first confluence, going 50-50 on this, you are looking at... it's a little bit slim. So you could split entries. Plus then you have this break retest here, which is a bit of a pain if you want to target more than that. So then you have maybe stops to break even once we hit this. That could be the potential play as well. So what you could do is you could do that. Go for a lower entry. Let's say we whack 30 below. I'm pretty sure this adds up to like a 1.1. It's at 1.8, 2.5, 1.25. Not the best trade. 1.2, let's call it 1.3 risk reward. Which isn't the nicest, but then yeah, at least you guaranteed entry. You're probably not going to hit stop loss. If you do catch that next one, it's going to be nice. So I think I would go something like this. Obviously like 0.5 risk on each. That's probably the safest bet. Yeah. I may as well keep them on there, to be fair. And apart from that, that's the 61 fib buy. The next buy is all the way down here, so I'm not really... Oh shit, no, it's that one, the break retest. Oh, never mind. So that's the backup. Okay, yeah, shit, never mind. Oh, no. Ignore me, you know. So the break retest already happened, and then we formed this level, which to me is shit. Never mind. I don't know why I kept it on there. That would have been valid if this didn't retest. I just don't like this new level that was formed, because obviously you got to go off recent price action, and recent price action is this, which is a 65 pip, more of an intra level really. I don't really like that at all. So yeah, the backup is down here. I want, yeah, I wouldn't even class that as a backup, really. The condition for this one, no, this the second one, sorry. The condition for this one is that we actually break through this. Again, if it fucks around this level and then just slowly cruises into here, I wouldn't go for it. We just need to have a nice break, pretty strong move into this. And then sells, that's a level. This could be a level once we push a little bit lower, so I'll put that on there for now. I'm obviously not going to take it yet. That fib is a no-go. That fib is a yes, which is a pretty chunky 61. No worries, Emma. I'll speak to you during the week, man. Yeah, pretty chunky 61. Again, 33 pips, which, I mean, isn't too bad. If you went 50. Again, a bit close. 16. What to say? I mean, that's not too bad. Don't know if we have... I'm not even going to attempt to draw a trend line. I hate trend lines. I mean, it is a valid trend line, but obviously there's fuck all there, really. Actually, you know what? Let's... yeah, that's valid. Oh! Trend lines are in fucking business. Oh, shit. I mean, technically you draw it off that one. Yeah, no, technically that's... Wait, yeah, no, because I always get confused with trend lines. That's what we're looking at. So you draw it off this high here. I think. Don't know. But either way, it lines up with that. So that gives me a bit of confidence. But that could be nice. I don't know. I'll see some dodgy ass trend line. But that does line up either way. So yeah. Don't know if I'll class it as a confidence with my dodgy ass drawing. But yeah. Whatever. I'll ping an alert out on this low. Just so we know when it's broken. Yeah. GU. Break retest on GU could be nice. It'll be... No, it won't be a little bit aggressive. What am I on about? Because we technically broke on this candle. Don't know if we'll have a fib or anything. I highly doubt it's going to be this one. Yes, of course. Oh, I guess you got that 23 actually. Oh shit, nice. Never mind. There we go. There's one trade. Nice continuation trade at the 23 fib as well. That'd be really nice. Or we can go for that. Oh shit, look at that. Is that the valid fib? That is, right? Obviously that's not. Yeah, of course it is. So that is the fib of the most recent push. So that is also beautiful. And a 23 break retest is fucking gorgeous. So that could also work wonders. And then that's the perfect backup as well. 26, 1.26 psych. Obviously pound weakness, USD strength. So we need to look for DXY buys, which probably more have to look on the 4 hour, but no, I mean daily, but go to the 4 hour because that candle's weird. I think that break retest could work with GU. I think so. Actually, it's pretty damn close. So is that, to be fair. There we go. I think we could have GU DXY. That would be a beautiful trade if we do. Let me add an alert. Do we have... I don't think we have any high impact on... Well, tomorrow, do we? I feel like we're pretty chilling until Wednesday. Yep. 3 p.m. Tuesday, and then Wednesday's bit of chaos. Beautiful. And then Friday's pretty chilling as well. CAD GDP at lunch. Okay, so yeah, GU's nice. I like GU. Did mark anything else? Oh shit, there's buy level. Sorry, these like weird back testing levels as well that I need to sort out. This one doesn't really have anything at the minute, but of course this is just timing or alignment. Yeah, we'll see on that one. Gold daily. We have this little break retest. Oh shit, that's a 25 level as well. I did not know that. And then that's the 50 level. Oh shit. Okay. Not looking... Oh, these are 4 hour levels, you doofus. Okay. Are that's a big ass hourly level as well, isn't it? Oh, a messy ass hourly level. Never mind. This one, oh, I feel like I'm gonna have to go for it now. Shit. I can't not take this one and then take that one. Level plus a psych. That is literally what it is. Feel like, unfortunately, I have to go for it. Even though I don't really like the trade, I've got to be aggressive. That's a big ass target as well. That's fine. 140 pips leeway / room to play. 70-70 covers the wick on the daily. Barely covers fuck all. Okay, I'll take it. What do we have? Is that Aussie dollar news? NZD news? Retail sales? Forgot which one affects gold more. Is it Aussie dollar? I feel like they're both. Isn't it Aussie dollar and NZD? And it's China. All three of them. I mean, it's retail sale. Like how they put it as orange, but technically that's high impact for NZD, isn't it? Oh, bastards. I'll quickly check. You know what? I'll just do it now. August 22nd. When did it have the biggest difference? Okay, we'll go Feb 22nd. That had a... Jesus, that's brutal. Feb 22nd. Let's see if that had an impact. If that didn't, then we're good. Feb 22nd. Feb 22nd. There we go. Perfect. And that was... what time? 9:45 on a Thursday. Feb 22nd. We go to hourly? Fuck yes. Feb 22nd. 9:45. Oh shit. Did absolutely nothing. Beautiful. So that is, and that had a crazy difference, 1.7. Okay, so I think that is a nice, beautiful trade. Quick little 4-hour gold trade. Thought the markets were open already. No, they open in 20 minutes, right? Because of time difference. Can't remember. I feel like they open at 9 PM now, UK time. Don't know. But we have the backup of this level as well, which is nice. It's just... I mean, I guess if this level was respected, it's even nicer. However, it is going against a shit ton of momentum. And I don't want to take it... I kind of want to take it after midnight. Because first of all, we're going to have a market gap. I feel like we're going to have a tiny gap. Don't know. Because obviously we have a bit more Ukraine escalation. With, I mean, more US missiles were used. Plus France... have gotten involved with their fucking French missiles. So now we got France, UK, and the US. I wonder what, which is the next NATO country to say, yep, you can use mine as well. If we have a gap into this level, obviously I'm not going to take it. And I don't want to take trade during spread hour, obviously. So I don't know, this may be a miss. But it is... oh, it's only $9 away. Idiot. Okay. Anyway, yeah, that could be a potential trade. If not, then I guess we do have the backup of this one. Which, again, is the level plus the psych. So, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, nothing really. Not really buying out on these. S&P. Looks like it's rallying. This is a lot of buying pressure. The buyers are very fucking strong right now. So we'll see what happens there. We're most likely going to break highs. Yeah. Silver, alignment for gold. Aha, this is when we can use our 4-hour. When we're looking at 4-hour gold. I don't know. Personally, I don't think looking at this is a shitty 4-hour level as well. It's like, it's done this, and you're looking at that. No chance. I mean, no, let's be realistic. It's what? Let's just draw it out real quick. I mean, it's not the worst, I guess, looking at it like that. But yeah, no, I didn't really like that. Looking at something like this, Pushing into this level, yeah, sure. Pushing into that level, yeah, sure. That level, yeah, sure. This one, sure. But this was literally created a few days ago. And it is, I don't know. That was skimpy ass gold, silver alignment. Don't know. Cheaping out on that one. However, that, I mean, again, it's not the nicest, but we are looking at 4-hour gold level. So if we do break this and push into this with the EMA, yeah, fuck it. I can class that as silver alignment. Even though it's already reacted. I don't know. I feel like that's also cheap silver alignment. Either way, I'm taking the trade on gold. Yeah, and then UJ has been boring as shit. Has been really boring. Not really looking at much, to be honest. This will have the SMA within 20 pips, so that will be a valid trade. We just need to break out. It's like forming a little one of these wedge shits. So we just need to break out of that one or that one and pick a side, please, and hurry up. So we can catch a nice little break retest and some other shit. But yeah, UJ, not really, no point drawing anything right now. I'll just wait, see what happens. GCAD, next level, I'm taking either way because this, I mean, it did give a reaction, but don't know, it's very subjective what you want to class break a previous level as, but to me, it gave fuck all really on the 4-hour. This is a reaction, yes, sure, that's a bit nicer of a reaction, even though it's only 50. That is no. So I'd say it broke this level, and I'll go for this one. You got the psych, you got the level, break previous level, big ass move in, and maybe some nice little GU action with this. Don't know. We got two options for GU. Can either come down here and help with GCAD, or it pushes up and we just look for the sells. So yeah, few options. And that is about it. Does anyone want me to go over any other pairs? Yeah, pretty nice week. Yeah, I'm gonna start playing it a little bit more aggressive, to be honest. And just see what happens. Play a bit more aggressive, collect some data. Yeah. And do a shit ton of backtesting again, just because why not? Collect some data. Now the journal's done. Ish. Journal's done for about a week until someone says, oh, can you add this? And I'll be like, yeah, sure, happily. And it takes me another week. Gonna backtest EJ. Yeah, I definitely limit yourself when it comes to trading JPY pairs, by the way. I don't think I'd trade more than 2. That's it. GJ, UJ, done. I don't want overexposure to JPY. Other pairs, yeah, sure. But JPY, I think I'm going to chill. I was going to just stick to GJ, but sometimes there's like nicer setups than UJ than GJ. Yeah, we'll see. GJ is definitely looking nicer at the minute. UJ is just, I literally added UJ, saw all this price action, this was beautiful, and then past this point, that's it. It's just gone to shit. GJ's actually played really nice. Again, this price action down here, GJ was really nice. There still has been quite a lot of nice shit on GJ. All these levels, we had this buy level, this buy level, this buy level. Everyone got screwed on that buy level on the Friday, that candle. Yep, I got screwed on that one. Yeah. Yeah. Gold on Sunday. Yeah, no. I won't take it straight away. I don't know. I think I'm just going to have to wait until morning. No. Oh, well, I'm not staying up until midnight to set a pending. Can you do it so it sets the pending after a certain time? Might be able to. Maybe on C-Trader. Don't know about other accounts. Don't know. You can. Can you? Never done it though. Let me check. EJ. Trade. Market execution. Let me put sell limit. No, you can put expiration. You can't put like yeah, you can only put an expiration. You can't put the like starting time, if that makes sense. You might be able to, but I don't see it there at least. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna disappear and make some food. And that's about it, really. Yeah, no worries, man. Peace out. Yeah, I'll send me analysis in the morning anyway. Send some stuff in and let you guys know if I'm taking gold. Just stay in the chats.